Okay, we're here at Bird Company and Sarah is going to teach me how to make Scotch locks correctly. So I'm going to give Sarah the camera. There you go.
Let's see if I can
And
see
you
you.
can see I have equipment laid out here. I've got Scotch locks, I've got tools, I've got wires, and so Sarah.
So what I want you to do is take two wires and put them in a Scotch lock and crimp them.
Okay. Well, I have two wires right here. So I'll take this Scotch lock.
No, you're using 2-wire Scotch locks, so take the yellow one. That's a 3-wire Scotch lock.
Okay, I have a 2-wire Scotch lock. So I'm going to put the wire in.
No, now you're using the stripped end. We do not put the stripped end in a Scotch lock. You always clip the stripping off or use the end that is not stripped to go into your Scotch lock.
Okay, so we'll put that one in. And we'll put this one in. And there, my wires are in.
Nope, you got to push your wires all the way to the top of that Scotch lock so it goes through both crimps.
But they're stopping. This is hard.
You've got to push.
Okay.
Make sure they're in there.
All right.
No, you don't grab the pliers. You grab the Scotch lock tool so that it crimps the Scotch lock correctly. Not too much and not too little. Now when you do it, you feel the grease come out of the Scotch lock and you've made a perfect connection. Perfect.
Well, thank you, Sarah. You press the wrong stop.